So a client asks me, "Hey Alex, how do I deal with a shy guy?" See, I'm not a fan of these questions, but you know what? Let me show you how to deal with these shy guys or shy guys, because sometimes they just don't like you. But let's find out. All right, ladies. So let's talk about 10 hidden signs a shy guy likes you. All right. Now look, I'm a little hesitant to make this video because it might encourage you guys to start chasing dudes who don't like you. All right. Some of you guys might, a lot of women make the excuse that when the guy don't like them is that he's shy and I just need to make him comfortable, right? So we're gonna find out what that is. What are the 10 signs that he is really shy, but that he just likes you, all right? All right, first things first, right? Um, Proximity, right? When a guy likes you, he stands close to you. It's just human nature. When you love your parents, when you're comfortable with your parents, you usually gravitate towards your parents, all right? So the same thing when a guy likes you, he'll just naturally, without him even knowing it, get close to you. It's just human nature. You see, he may not even be aware of it, but when people like each other, they stand close to each other. So close that when they really like them each other, they fuck. All right, all right. You know, it's a little too much, right? But yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? So that's the first one, proximity. Right? They'll stand close to you, right? They'll sit close to you in at class. They'll follow you home. They'll wait for you in the closet, stuff like that. Like, you know, proximity. He'll be close to you. He'll try to get close to you. All right. So that's the first one. Because a lot of times, you know, they like you, but they don't know how to show it. So they show it sometimes in weird ways. You know, very creepy ways sometimes. So that's the first one. All right. The next one is he acts different around you. All right. He might be social with everyone else but you. All right. He might be happy with everyone else but you. He might be more extroverted with everyone else but you. When he talks to you, he gets nervous. All right. So that's the second sign. Is that when a guy's really shy and he likes you, he's comfortable with everyone but you. All right. Now look, man, you guys gotta be careful, man. Like some guys are not shy. Some guys just don't like you. All right. And what I would say to you, a quick excerpt is that if you want to know if he's shy, just make the first step. Ask him to hang out with your friends, and you're done. You're done making effort. All right. You ask him to hang out with your friends, but then after that, you're done. All right. The next thing is, which is important. Number three, he doesn't have a girlfriend. So sometimes guys act quiet and shy because they have a girlfriend and they don't want to get in trouble. They don't want to go to Mari, right? So when a guy likes you and he's really shy, he's single. And even more, sometimes he struggles talking to women, all right? So if he has a girlfriend, that motherfucker's not shy. He just don't want to get caught, all right? The next thing is that he talks to you online and in text a lot more than in person. It's like you see another side of him when he texts you. You see another side of him when he talks to you online. He likes your photos and stuff like that. So if you notice that he talks a lot when he's online, but when he's in person, he gets quiet. It might be that he is shy. All right, doesn't mean don't you guys got to look at every factor. Just because you see one doesn't mean it means he's shy. All right, I don't want you guys finding excuses to chase guys that don't like you. All right. The fifth one is that he seems interested but doesn't make the move. For example, I remember there was this Ecuadorian chick back when I was in college, right? And she invited me. She liked me, and she invited me to go salsa dancing with her, right? And the way we danced salsa, because I was shy, I was like, I didn't, I was just a shy guy, but I liked her. I wanted to fuck her, right? But I was shy. So she would dance bachata with me. She invited me out to dance on bachata with her, right? And and when we would dance, she would dance very close to me, right? That was her way of saying, "Bro, I like you." But because I had a hard dick at the time, I didn't want to show her I had a hard dick. So the way I would dance like that. Right? Like it was pathetic. There's even a picture on my Facebook that shows it. But the point is that she made the effort, and I showed interest, but I was shy to go all the way. What she needed to do was to kiss me, to confirm to me that she liked me, right? So shy guys sometimes just need you to make a move, all right? And she lost interest, rightfully so, right? But what you got to do if he doesn't make the move, then but he's showing interest, but he doesn't bridge that gap. It might be that he's shy. He might just need an extra push, right? I mean, I don't know how more of a push she gave me. I mean, goddamn, she dressed. I mean, come on. All right. Anyways, I don't want to go back to that. All right. So that the seventh one is no, sixth one is that he looks at you when you're not looking at him, right? So it's kind of like you catch him looking, which is obvious, right? And when you catch him looking, he looks down, like he looks down, right? Like it's not like he looks away, but like he looks down. You see what I'm saying? Or even looks away. But when he looks down, it means that he's more shy than anything else. All right. The seventh one, and by the way, people, I have a seminar in Berlin on Sunday, and then another one on Monday. On another one in London on Sunday, next Sunday, like on yeah, 26th, I believe, right? And then one in New York City, and then one in Toronto. So if you want to go, check on the description down below when I'm gonna be in your city. I might be going to different places, but purchase that ticket, okay? So yeah. You catch him looking and he looks away, right? Shy guys do that. They don't like being caught, looking. The next one is his mood changes when you talk about other guys, right? When you talk about other men, when you talk about, oh yeah, I went out with Alexis, I went out with him, I went out with him, you notice is that he goes from like this, to more down, right? He's like, oh fuck, right? And that happened to me. Like the girl that I was talking to, the girl that I mentioned, she went out with the security guard at school, And yeah, that was because I was just being a bitch, right? The eighth one is that online, he looks at all of your stories, right? He looks at all of your stories and likes your photos. Sometimes they may not comment, but he does like your photo. So sometimes guys just want to show you indirectly that they like you, but they don't know how to say it, right? The next one he looks at the next one is that when he talks to you, he stutters, right? He stutters because he's shy. And it happened to me when I was younger too. Like I wouldn't stutter, I would just like look a little down and just be a little bit more quiet, right? And the 10th one is that you hear from his friends that he wants to bang you, all right? You hear from his friends, he's like, yo, man, I hear the Lexus kind of likes you, oh, yo, man, I hear the Lexus likes you and stuff like that, right? So those are the signs that God likes you. It's very simple, to be honest with you. But with shy guys, I would recommend make the first move, but you're done. Right, you make one move and you're done, motherfucker. You're not gonna be making the next move. You're not gonna hit me up and say, "Hey, Alex, I'm talking to this guy. He's shy, and it's been 2 months." And bitch, you're done after that, right? If you already made the move, and he still doesn't make another move, you're done. You're just gonna make one move and it's over, because sometimes you don't want to be with a guy who's too shy, because then that makes you into a predator. Like I'm not a predator like that, but like that puts you in a chasing mode, and you develop bad habits. You're not gonna start chasing a dude, all right? If he's too shy, then fuck it. Let him go get some therapy and deal with those problems. You're not gonna help him out, all right? Honestly, don't put yourself in that position. All right, I was gonna close the channel. All right, ladies. I talk a lot about shy guys on my course, Natural Chemistry. So I talk about how to deal with shy guys in my last course, The Psychological Game of Attraction, if you're interested. All right, ladies, if you need one-on-one coaching, you know where to go. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is Natural Chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week, 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are: 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.